road is 4/5 of a mile long. A crew needs to repave 3/5 of the road. How long is the section that needs to be repaved? Write your answer in simplest form. Okay, we are multiplying here. So 4/5 times 3/5. For multiplication of fractions, you go straight across like this. 4 times 3 is 12. And the denominator, 5 times 5 is 25. And 12 over 25 does not simplify, so that is your answer. Yesterday, 6/7 of the 63 students in a contest gave their speeches. How many students gave their speeches? So usually when you have of, you're going to be multiplying. So we're going to do 6/7 times 63. Now when you have a fraction and a whole number, you're going to actually put this whole number up in the numerator. So it's going to look like this: 6 times 63 over 7. Now before you multiply and get a really big number here, if you notice 63 and 7 can both be divided by 7. If you notice that, then you have smaller number to deal with. So 63 divided by 7 is 9, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. So now you just do the numerator. 6 times 9 is 54, and you just have a 1 in the denominator. Now a fraction means divided by, so 54 divided by 1 is 54. So 54 students gave their speeches. Layla received 7/8. Again, of usually means multiply. 7/8 times 160 of the 160 votes cast for class vice president. How many votes did she receive? I'm going to pop this whole number, the 160, up top with this 7. But before I multiply and get a really huge number there, I'm going to see if I can divide. Well, 160 divided by 8, I know that 16 divided by 8 is 2. So that means I can divide both of these by 8. So like I said before, 16 divided by 8 is 2, but you have that trailing 0, so just write it down. And in the denominator, 8 divided by 8 is 1. So now in the numerator, 7 times 20 is 140 over 1, but that means 140 divided by 1, so you have 140 votes that she received.